There are two different types of eBay accounts, individual and business. Individual accounts are for casual sellers, individuals selling or buying a few things and not selling as a business. Business accounts are for businesses that are buying items for resale, buying or selling for a business, selling items that you have made yourself. There's not all that much difference between business and individual accounts. If you're a business, you have certain obligations. For example, you have to accept returns. eBay business accounts can have a slightly different fee structure. They also have higher selling limits. An individual account can be converted to a business account, and there is no cost to have a business account. Once an individual account has been converted to a business account, it cannot be converted back. When creating a business account, you need to submit the following information: the legal business name as registered with Companies House or a similar national organisation, your registered business address, your business registration number if you are a registered business, your tax information if you're registered for sales tax or value-added tax, a landline telephone, and the payment details for fees. These could be your bank account for direct debit, or it could be a credit or debit card. Two things to note about eBay accounts. New eBay accounts will have seller limits. This restricts the amount of products you can list and the amount of products you can sell in a month. As your account gains history, your seller limit will be lifted. You can also request an increase in your limit. You can view your selling limit from the seller dashboard. If you go to Sell, it'll take you to the Seller Hub, and then go to Overview, scroll down the page, and here we'll have your monthly limit. So this account can list up to 150 items and £7 million limit, because it's a very well established account. If you want to list more, you can click this button to request to list more. You will then be put through to eBay customer support, who will decide on your case. Unlike Amazon, it is possible for the same company to have multiple eBay accounts. You do, however, need to be beware of duplicate listings. Duplicate listings, i.e. listing the same product twice, is not allowed by eBay. If eBay thinks that you are using multiple accounts to get around its duplicate listing rule, it may shut down your account. eBay also states that you can't use multiple accounts to get around selling limits. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.